Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and I hope you're doing well. Today we're making a classic Italian lemon ricotta cookie. This cookie is somewhere between a cookie and a cake. The texture is so light and delicate and they melt in your mouth. Let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Get your oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
To 488 grams of flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Mix it all together so the ingredients are combined. To a large mixing bowl, add 225 grams of softened unsalted butter, 362 grams of granulated sugar, and the zest of 1 lemon.
Set your lemon aside because we're going to be using the juice for our icing later.
Cream together your butter and sugar. Look how gorgeous and smooth and fluffy that looks.
You'll want to remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl every time you add in a new ingredient. This just makes sure everything is combined together.
In go 2 eggs, one at a time, and a teaspoon of lemon extract.
In this recipe, we're using 425 grams of whole milk ricotta cheese. You can see my ricotta has a little bit of water in the bottom of the bowl. You'll want to try to not get that into your cookie mix, so drain it off as much as you can. A little bit won't hurt, but you want to make sure you're using the soft ricotta, not the hard, crumbly one.
Add your ricotta cheese to your butter and sugar mix, and we're going to stir that until it's just come together. Give your wet ingredients one final stir by hand before folding in your dry ingredients.
It takes a bit of muscle power to fold in that flour, but we really want to make sure we're not overworking those glutens here. That's what gives the cookie its beautiful, delicate texture.
I'm using my smallest cookie scoop for this recipe. If you make these cookies too big, the weight will actually cause them to sink in the center and you won't have that lovely dome shape. Now into the oven.
These are going to bake from anywhere between 9 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. What we're looking for is just a gentle golden brown around the edge. We'll let these cool for about 2 to 3 minutes on the tray and then we'll move them to the cooling rack.
While these are cooling, let's make our lemony icing. Sift 230 grams of icing sugar. Mine is really lumpy and definitely needs the sifting. Add the juice of 1 lemon, about 4 tablespoons. I like to do this through my sieve as well because it catches the seeds. And 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Now whisk that together until it makes a nice thick icing. We want this to be dippable, so if we need to thin it out, we'll just add in a little bit of water. You want the ribbon off of the whisk to almost disappear instantly when it drips back into the bowl. Now dip your cookies, swirl them around a bit to get off that excess and place them back onto your baking tray to set. The icing doesn't get completely hard because of the butter, but it will firm up a little bit. And now's a great time if you want to add sprinkles or any other decorations to the top.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're a lemon lover and looking for more lemony recipes, check out my lemon drizzle cake here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button just down there. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.